very exciting episode for you guys because right behind me we got the pinnacle of the best Lexus SUVs in the market today. We got the two variants of the Lexus GX. We got the Premier here and the Overtrail, which is the color gray one. We got a full JAOS body kit right here on my left hand side. We got the front attachment. It's got the LED lights to give you better visibility on dark environments. You also got the aluminum step boards with the JAOS badges on both step sills. You got the skid plate to protect your engine for when you go to those overlanding spots. You got the fender arches. They bolt straight onto the fenders of the GX. Apart from that, we are also equipping it with a big brake kit. This is the AP Racing Radical 2. We're gonna be upsizing its rotors as well with 405mm up front and 380mm on the rear. Of course, you got the Belfa electronic handbrakes because this car is equipped with an electronic handbrake. Last but not least, we're gonna be equipping it with the 20-inch GW05 CX BC Forged wheel set. These are forged monoblock wheels, so you're rest assured when you're going to heavy trails, hard bumps, you're equipped with the strongest wheel manufacturing with BC Forged wheels. Why did we go with this design? We wanted the retro steely look, and since this is a CX design, it comes with the cover. What does this do? It covers the lug nuts. So after installing the wheels, you're just going to be bolting on the center cap again to hide them out, giving it a more, a much better look. And this is the satin brush gray finish, and we think it's going to go so well with the color of the Lexus GX. This is a dark gray finish, and this is a satin brush gray, which is a bit lighter. The contrast should work very well. Of course, we're equipping it with open country all-terrain Toyo tires made in Japan to give it optimal grip. Same as what we did to this Lexus GX, the Premier variant. We're gonna be equipping it with a MagnaFlow catback exhaust system and an AFE intake system to give it optimal performance. So for this Lexus GX Premier variant, we set it up to be executive in nature, and as you can see from the wheels alone, we did 22-inch Rohano wheels, USA forged wheels. This is in a copper colorway. It's a radiant copper finish, and it's glossy to give it, that added bling. We wanted to go a little bit wider from the fender flares to give it that added, toughness, but at the same time retain its executive vibe with all-terrain Michelin Pilot Sport 4 SUV tires. We upgraded its brakes as well with AP Racing Radical 2 calipers with Belfa electronic handbrake, 405mm rotors up front and 380mm on the rear. So stopping power is not an issue. As you guys know, the Lexus GX, what sets it apart from the LC250 is its engine. This is a 6-cylinder engine versus the LC250, which is equipped with the 4-cylinder engine. And you must be wondering, this is a Lexus, why will you upgrade the exhaust system? Well, actually, the MagnaFlow exhaust system is not really loud, but it adds just the right rumble and when you step on the gas, especially with the intake spools. You hear that sound? Nothing too loud, but nothing too quiet, which gives more thrill when you're actually in the cockpit of the GX. So when you step on it, expect the perfect pitch from the MagnaFlow exhaust system and the good spools that you get from the AFE intake system. Now, we're also going to be doing that on the gray Overtrail variant, so stay tuned for that. If you got a Lexus GX, make sure to message us because we have on-hand modifications for it. And here we have it. This is our take to a fully modified Lexus GX 550. This one in the carbide gray metallic paintwork, paired with the full JAOS body kit and all of the off-road parts we can equip on this GX 550. And personally, I find it so stunning. The GX 550's JAOS body kit is more, a bit more rugged, if I may say. Check out the front end of this car. The front attachment actually protrudes a bit more than the LC250. You can see that it adds a fog light trim here on the sides, and it gives an added touch because, it's a bit more boxy on the lighting area. You got the stock fog lamps, and JAOS did another accessory here. Instead of the fog lamps in the middle like the LC250, you can see they added the fog lamps here on the side, left and right. I like the design they put into it, and of course it has the JAOS logo right here for the, to let you know that this body kit is not like any other. We painted it all in matte black to match the black trims of this car. And as you can see, apart from the front attachment, you got the side flarings. It's painted matte black as well. And of course, the accessories. This is not drilled, by the way. These are just accessories from JAOS. Stainless steel, but it adds a bit of ruggedness to it. Of course, you got the JAOS mud flaps to make sure that the wider tires we equip on this car won't go splattering onto the sidings of your car. Step board into an aluminum one. This one is in high-grade aluminum from JAOS. Of course, it has the brandings on the step sills, and I find it really nice. Adds ruggedness to it. We also got the rear mud flaps and these stunning wheels from BC Forged. These are the GWA05 CX style. And why the CX style? It actually covers the lug nuts area. So it looks like a center lock, but it's not, it's just a cover. You have a specific tool which we keep in the back to remove this center lock. But it's a beautiful touch, especially for those that want a clean look. Why do we go with this design? Because we went for the overall off-road look on this build. And I think we got it right. I'd say with these tires, the Toyo Open Country all-terrain tires, it matches the overall theme of Japanese craftsmanship with the off-road look. Now, if you like this build, please be sure to comment down in the comment section below. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. We got a couple of more GX builds coming your way. We also have more performance mods coming into this car. We actually gonna be equipping this car with the AFE intake system to make this 6-cylinder more pronounced. Also an exhaust system from MagnaFlow, just like we did on the green GX, which was mentioned towards the start of this vlog. So if you like this build, be sure to message us on Instagram or Facebook at iAutomods. We got on-hand sets, so we can start your build right away.